Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through how to send high quality pictures in Telegram. Here's a step by step guide to send high quality pictures. First, unlock your mobile phone and go to your home screen. Open the Telegram app, the blue paper plane icon. Log in if you are not already signed in. Go to the chat, person, group, or channel where you want to send the picture. Tap the paperclip icon, the attachment, near the message box. A menu will appear. Choose Gallery to open your photos. Browse and choose the photos you want to send. Once selected, look at the bottom or top of the screen where the preview appears. Tap the three dot menu in the top right corner of the preview. Choose Send as File instead of Send as Photo. This ensures the image is sent in original quality without compression. If you want to send multiple photos, select them all, then repeat the same option. After confirming, tap the Send or Paper Plane icon. The recipient will now receive your pictures in full resolution, high quality. Tip: you can also go to Settings, Data and Storage, Photos, and select Send as File by default to always keep the original quality. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.